In this problem, we want to find the mean from the data set. Now, here's our data set, and we just got a single x value in each one of these, but then we got frequency over here. This is group data, even though it's not an interval. So you need to download the spreadsheet that I've created for grouped data descriptive statistics. And since we just have a single x value here, like 4, then you're going to put 4 in the first lower class and also the upper class limit. Our frequency is 2. Then next one's 8. And then the frequency that is 8. And 11, and 3. 12, 4. 13, 4. 17, and 3. 20, and 1. 22, and 1. That's weird. Why do I put 0 there? Okay. Yeah, you don't usually put a 0 there if there's no frequency on that. But anyway. Okay. So again, if you have a single number here, like 4, then you want to put it in both columns. And then your frequency's here, and then you fill these down. And since I'm not very good at input data, I'm going to go through and double check myself. 4, 8, 11, 12, 13, 17, 20, 22, 25. Okay. If you got any data down here, you delete it. You only change the yellow region. And this one's asking us to find the mean. So our mean is right here, 11.4615. And that's our answer.